Welcome to Crack Defense. In this video, we are going to learn about some basic concepts in physics. So let's quickly begin. First thing we need to know is all the laws in the physics are expressed in physical quantities. Now, these physical quantities are divided into two categories. First one is scalar quantities and second one would be vector quantities. Now, what we understand with scalar quantities? It means which only has magnitude to it. That is what scalar quantities would be. Now, coming to vector quantities, which has magnitude plus direction to it. Now, some examples to understand it better. Simply, we can take length, which is a scalar quantity. One more can be speed, which only has magnitude to it. Area, as we all know. Temperature. Then we can have maybe density and pressure. Coming to the vector quantities, let's see some examples. We have velocity, which is speed plus direction to it. Then we can have displacement. Then we can have acceleration, force, momentum, weight, etc. Okay, coming to the next one, we have some simple concept, that is displacement versus distance. Now, what is the difference? Distance is the actual length of the path traveled by any moving body. Now, what is displacement? It is the shortest distance we have between the initial point, or you can say starting point, and the end point of the position of the object. Let's see a simple example here. Suppose a person starts with A point and has to reach to B point. He travels from A to C first in a straight direction, which is 3 kilometers, and C to B, which is 4 kilometers. So if we have to say what is the distance he has traveled, distance would be 3 kilometer plus 4 kilometer, and it becomes total of 7 kilometers. Similarly, if we have to calculate displacement for it, so displacement would be distance between the shortest distance between A point and B point. Now if we apply Pythagoras theorem, we get 3 square plus 4 square under root, and it becomes 25 under root, and that is 5 kilometer. So the displacement would be 5 kilometer, but the distance for same example is 7 kilometer. Now that's the difference. Let's come to some more concept. We need to know now about velocity and acceleration. Now, what is velocity? It defines speed along with direction of the motion. That means in formula format, we can write it as d upon t. If d is the displacement and t would be elapsed time. Now, coming to the acceleration. Now, what is the relation and what is acceleration? Acceleration is a rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Now, as a formula, we can write it as A, change in V, change in T. Either we can say it change in velocity with respect to elapsed time. Thank you.